Hey guys, I'm Dominique and welcome back to Two Modern Vegans. As you can see, Carlos is not with us today. Instead, he's behind the camera. As you know, all non-essential businesses are closed, so that means barbershops, hair salons, those things are closed. So Carlos is looking like a grizzly bear right now. I think he looks fine, but of course, he doesn't like it. Okay, today we're gonna be making chicken and waffles, and not just any chicken and waffles. We're gonna be making red velvet chicken and waffles. In replacement for the chicken, we're gonna be using oyster mushrooms. For the red velvet waffles, basically what we're gonna use is beets. As you can see, my hands are a little bit red, so we're gonna use fresh beet juice. If you do not have a juicer or you don't have time to juice beets, they actually sell beet powder and they sell beet juice, and you can use that, or you can go the original route and you can use red food coloring if you want to. The choice is totally up to you. All right guys, let's get into this recipe, and these are the ingredients that you're gonna need. In a large bowl, we're gonna add 2 cups of spelt flour, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of cacao powder, a pinch of salt, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of avocado oil, a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 4 tablespoons of maple syrup. Next, we're going to add in 1/4 cup of beet juice. And lastly, 1½ cups of plant-based milk. And you're going to want to go ahead and stir that up until it becomes like a pancake consistency. You're going to add that to your waffle maker and be sure to follow your package directions. We used a Belgian waffle maker, and we're just going to set this aside as we work on our mushrooms. You're going to add 2 cups of avocado oil to a pot. And as that heats up, we're going to work on our fry mixture. So you're going to add this hot sauce to your plant-based milk. And also you're going to add in 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, and you're going to stir that up. Also, we're going to need a cup of spelt flour and our spice blend, and the recipe for that is listed below. And you're going to stir that up, and we have here our oyster mushrooms, and we're going to double dip these. So you're going to dip it 1 time into the wet mixture and then into the dry mixture, and make sure you use 2 separate hands so you make less of a mess. And we're going to continue this for all of the mushrooms, and we're going to fry it until it's golden brown on each side, and it basically should look something like this. Alright, so here you see me making our plate. I topped the waffle with the fried oyster mushrooms, and of course I went in with the maple syrup, and you guys, it is so delicious. I truly hope you enjoyed as much as we did. Alright guys, I hope the recipe was easy to follow. I hope you guys enjoyed these waffles and the chicken oyster mushrooms, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also, this recipe will be on our website, www.twomodernvegans.com. so this is what it looks like, you guys. All right, deliciousness. Gonna taste the waffle first. The waffle is super moist, perfect amount of sugar, and you really don't even taste the beet. Magnificent. The mushroom, delicious. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Don't forget to let us know how you like it in the comments, and if you make it, make sure you tag us in it and send us some feedback. Until next time, you guys. Bye.